In today's video, we're taking a look at some of the cool things that have been sent in to us by some companies and individuals to see what we can do with it.
First off, just to begin this video, guys, thank you so much. This was amazing. Like, the stuff that we got is creative and unique and fun, and I can't wait to see what we can do with this.
Here's the basic idea. Since we gave you a delivery address you can use, several people and companies have sent us some pretty cool stuff, and today we want to look at what we've got and what fun things we can do with it. Arclight Optics sent us some of these pairs of sunglasses, and we have our normal safety glasses that we wear, but doesn't mean we're not willing to try new things. These look pretty sweet. They're very like tactical, military styled.
They're military
steel
grade.
Cable running through this, it almost looks like. Maybe that's just a bar to give it some flex, but they are sunglasses. They fit like really well up against my face. These really hug your face quite well, like it's flush up against my face almost entirely. And I really like the field of view. I can see all the way to the sides. I don't know if you can see my eyes right now, but if I'm looking all the way to one side or the other, the glasses still wrap far enough that I can't see behind the lens.
I love these things, guys. I usually can't find a pair of comfortable sunglasses when I'm driving, and I love longboarding, and they're made to take impact. It's pretty cool. Nate, put those on. Yeah. So once they're snug against your face, you can't feel that. They're shock absorbing. It's so cool. So actually, my friends and I were testing this because I was wearing these yesterday, and we tested what you could don't throw things at your friends' faces. We were testing just like how much force they could take, and you really can't feel anything. They're amazing. They are made to fit underneath helmets, and that's pretty cool. So any sort of helmet, if you're wearing a longboarding helmet, if you're wearing a motorcycle helmet, they're a comfortable fit. Interchangeable lenses, I love these things. So these are my new go-to favorite safety glasses. Here's another really cool thing. Yes, these aren't gonna fly off my face if I take a tumble or anything else, but check this out. They don't break. These are made to handle extreme force, scratch resistant, amazing things. I love these. I love these so much.
Next, we've got the 3D Mate doodling pen. This is one of those 3D print as you draw.
This is my first time seeing this. You've been hoarding this.
This was actually sent to us a while ago. Technically this predates our delivery box. We've had it for a while, just trying to figure out a good use for it. So if you have things you'd like to see us do with a 3D pen, let us know.
Just the Eiffel Tower real quick.
Comes with a variety of colors.
I thought it came in like little tiny pieces. Nope. Oh, this is going to accidentally disappear from the studio.
Boom, 3D.
My turn.
I continue to not know exactly what it is that I've made, but I did make a thing.
My turn. Here you go, I made it for you. Keep it forever. Never let it go.
Next, we've got a bag of dirt. A 10-pound bag of dirt. Specifically, this dirt is sand that's supposed to have gold in it. This was sent to us by Daniel from the Ages Hardwood Furniture. He's the same guy who made the King of Random flag we've got hanging on our wall.
It's so cool! Oh my gosh, I love that.
And we want to find the gold in here. So I think we're gonna pan for a little bit of gold real quick. It comes with a couple of pans.
Guys, I grew up, actually both of us grew up only a few.
In gold country.
Yeah, only a few hours away
California
from San Francisco.
gold country.
So we should be old hat at this. We'll see. Yeah, it's been a while.
Pan for gold for.
Yeah, okay, I already, you can tell I
time.
failed. I got way too much here.
Huh?
So the idea is that we're getting rid of the dust. You kind of swish it around, swirl it.
So there's these grooves down in the pan, and as you
I'm doing it. I'm getting rid of the big stuff first.
As you shake this, gold is so much heavier than everything else. It's supposed to settle out, and so you just like agitate it around, and all of the sand kind of gets washed out, and all of the gold is supposed to get left behind in the little grooves.
Guys, I win!
87 cents worth of gold.
Time out. Guys, I'm a millionaire. Look at this. This is so cool. Do you see that? I win. I actually win. Realsies, I win. In comparison, there's a nickel. Guys, when I was little, I really wanted to be like an archaeologist. I love stuff like this. The idea of just like going outside and digging through my backyard, that was what I did. This is so cool.
There's my flake of gold. This flake is about 1/10 the size of that giant nugget you found.
Go put it next to mine. Prove my superiority.
This right here, this is actually one that was given to us in person. It is a 3D printed, multi-faceted vase. It's very neat, and this was given to us.
Excuse you, it's pronounced vase.
On every vase.
It was given to us at Maker Faire. We had the chance to go out there and have a small little panel, and someone brought us this along with a couple other 3D printed trinkets.
So
we thought this
cool.
is pretty neat. And so yeah, we've just got this around our studio.
Thank you so much for it. We love it. It's probably supposed to hold flowers, but I mean, here it holds tools. Nate, what is that?
This is a roll of fiber optic cable. This is a roll of 25 kilometers of fiber optic cable, which is a lot of fiber optic cable.
That is a lot of fiber optic cable.
So this, for those of you who don't know, fiber optic cable, this is
glass.
This is a thread of glass surrounded by plastic. Plastic is there to make it hold together a lot better because glass, as you can imagine, is not super strong. So very, very thin glass wire and then plastic on the outside. We can actually remove the plastic. So you may have seen it was surprisingly tricky to get the wire to break, the cable,
Yeah.
it's not a wire, but the cable to break.
So guys, we have, what was it, 25 kilometers of this
Just
stuff?
about, yeah.
If anybody has any really cool ideas of what we can do with fiber optic cable, 25 kilometers of it, let us know. So the next thing that we got sent was this awesome Amari vacuum. Guys, these are really fun.
Go. Oh, it's stuck in Chinese for some reason.
Not all of them, just this one.
Yeah.
Oh, found the corner. That's my favorite part. It has a proximity sensor. It knows not to come off the table. Hi! I am way too attached to robots. However, this one is Jarvis. We have a couple of others. We've got Dummy, and we also have a Friday.
Friday, what are they firing at?
Something just entered the upper atmosphere.
We were sent some more sunglasses. This is like sunglasses part 2 by a company called Zingle.
Yes.
And these are not just standard sunglasses. These are actually music playing sunglasses.
So these are pretty darn cool. They have these little sensors right here. They kind of project the music into your skull, supposedly.
These ones I think are actually
They connected to your
connected
phone?
to my phone.
Nice. So the concept here with these little sensors is that you don't have to have headphones in, but you can still listen to music. These actually play music, which again, for me, when I am doing some sort of high action sport, if my ears are covered, that's very, very dangerous. I need to be able to know if anybody's near me or around. So these, I can still hear. Say again, I'm on my longboard and oncoming traffic or maybe somebody else who's coming up behind me, I'm gonna know, but I can still hear my music. All right, Nate, you tried these, I longboarded with them. What did you think?
I love the concept. I'm not a huge fan of the execution of these particular ones. I've seen them that are supposed to be like bone conducting and they just play kind of right into your skull above your ears. To me, the speakers and the pads that they're supposed to be playing through, those aren't even touching my head, not skin, not pressing against bone.
Yep.
And so it's
Actually,
playing.
you can see that. You have to have a very specific skull size, I guess. You can actually see that right here, they're not touching Nate's head at all.
Frankly, the way that these wear on me, like it's pushing my ears out a little bit. I like the concept. I've actually worn a different brand of the same idea that for the 5-10 seconds I was wearing them, I thought worked a little better than these, but it was in a loud and crowded environment, so I don't know if it was an accurate,
Fair.
real experience with them.
The other thing about these, people can hear your music from across the room. However, these do not advertise that you're not going to be able to hear the music when you wear them. What they're advertising is the fact that your ears are uncovered, so you can hear other things and still listen to music too. However, I would say concept, phenomenal. Idea, phenomenal. Execution needs a little bit of work, and while it is a cool design, I would say that if they are going for, sound canceling or anything that other people can't hear, that's not what you're gonna get.
Another thing we've received is several people have sent in letters, so
I'm not gonna lie, this is my absolute favorite thing that we have ever received. Can we talk about this?
yes.
Okay, so first off, Michaela. Michaela, you talk to Nate and I on Instagram all the time. You are such a sweetheart, and we got your letter. What'd you get?
So this is from Dawson, saying that he's made Proto Putty, blowgun, Skyballs, Lego Gummy
Did he make his own blowgun?
That's the blowgun.
Dawson, good job. Oh, Caleb gave us a list of things to do. That's awesome. Caleb, thank you so much for the ideas. So we actually have an idea list. You guys know about our random idea generator, but we love getting ideas from you. You know that we have comment requests. So this is actually pretty cool. If we go through this list and we decide that there is an item that we want to do, we can show this instead of the comment request itself. But look at this. They printed our logo.
They printed it on the letter as well.
On the letter, and it's airmail. How far away did this come from?
South Africa.
Holy cow.
Cape Town. I think we got art. Callie's baby. It's a
oh my gosh!
burning thing of propane.
Evan, you are so right. Yep, I'm the pyro, I know it. Thank you so much. I know exactly where this is going. Evan, thank you so much. This is never coming down. There we go. Michaela
wrote us a letter and sent us this lovely picture of some cupcakes, Oreo vanilla and chocolate cupcakes.
All right, that's going up with Evan's.
Very, very cool, guys. Thank you so much for all of the wonderful letters and things you've sent. These are so fun, and we can't wait to do some projects with some of them.
Oh my goodness.
We'd love if you've got ideas of things we can do with fiber optic cable. If you've got ideas of things we can do with our 3D printing pen, we'd love to try some of those out. Or, you know, with the rest of the stuff, vacuums, sunglasses, vases. We can always try stuff out. If you've got a good idea, let us know down in the comments, and feel free to keep sending letters. And if you've got something you want to see us do something with, send it our way. The address is down in the description.
Guys, even if we don't have time to read every single letter on camera, we are reading them. We do see them. We love them so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, thank you again so much for all of your continued support. If you click that box up at the top, you will see our latest video. This content is for you. If you have more suggestions, let us know. We love to hear from you. We love your support, and we will continue to do this for you. So remember, we'll see you in the next video.